Guys, welcome back to Svelto Performance. Welcome back to another episode of the GTV 2000 Commission Build. Today we're going to talk about three things for the update on this video. So not a whole lot going on, but we have made some progress. The first one is, as you can see, I'm sitting in the new seats from our upholstery shop. We finally got them done and they're back to us. So we'll talk a little bit about it. I'll share some pointers and some things that I really like about the seats and just kind of the way this will go into the build itself. Secondly, we're going to talk about the fuel injection wiring harness. We've got that through the firewall into the engine compartment, and we've got to, of course, shorten up the wires and terminate everything. So we'll talk about that. And then third, there's a really something really cool has happened. Finally got it completed. It's been something that's been a long time in the making for us, for me. And so I'm excited to share that information. We'll have that at the end of the video. So why don't I quit talking and let's get into looking at the seats and then the wiring harness. All right, let's get started, guys. Alrighty guys, as you can see, these are Recaro seats, and we've got the perforated leather in the center and then the smooth leather on the outside. These are the Recaro LX seats, so the bolsters slide in and out, and then the headrest, of course, goes up and down, and then will come forward and backwards here. We'll show you the back side of the seats here, as you can see. Right here, full leather. Here, we've got new railing here, so the rails slide easily back and forth. And of course, you can completely move the seat forward and backwards here on the back to, to get it to a good, comfortable position. Got the decorative gold button style holes here, as you can see. They're nice. So everything about the seats, there's some blue tape, but that's just where we've been working with taking them in and out. We just didn't want to scratch the leather up. So as you can see, they look absolutely great. And then if I kind of pull back and I look here, of course the lighting's not the best, but as you can see, we got both of them in. They're both even, level with each other. So that's good. And, again, I just think from the vision that we've got, it's really going to look great. We're going to have the same leather is going to be wrapped all in this car. Works with the vision of the interior of the car, and I wouldn't have had anything but Recaros put in here. So our upholstery shop, they do a great job. And again, this is something that you can do to your car. This is a piece that you can do to reimagine your car that we can send over to you if you want a whole entire interior kit or whatever. It can definitely happen. We work together and figure out exactly what you want, and we make it happen. So there's the seat. So now let's jump under the hood and start looking at the wiring harness for the fuel injection system. All right, I'll meet you up under the hood. Alrighty guys, so let's talk a little bit about the fuel injection system. Really, we're going to focus on the wiring harness here. So as you can see, we've got the hole drill or cut into the firewall. We got more things to put through there, but right now we're just focusing on the fuel injection system. So here, if I look at this set of wires here, as you can see, these are for like the injectors. So they'll be terminated down here with the injectors. And then we have O2 sensors running one way. We've got, let's see, this is our coil wire here. Coils will be down, sitting down below. In this area, we've got our wires for our trigger wheel sensor and the cam sensor. Eventually, this cam sensor here will be moved up here to the cam. That's why it's called cam sensor. We also have got our water temperature sensor will be back here. We got an oil pressure and oil temperature sensor, all one in there. So what we did, it's going to be hard to see, but we bolted up. This is the old wiring harness, but we bolted up one of the, I think that would have been the pressure or the temperature sensor down there for the oil. We've moved everything over here, which is good. Our Gen V throttle, independent, our independent throttle bodies. There's two of them. They're here. We've got the linkage all put together, the cable, the new cable's in. So all of that's in. So just kind of imagining on your car, right, that we send you this kit and everything just bolts right up. Computer will be programmed, everything will be ready to go. Of course, we can jump onto the computer remotely and tune if we need to. So this is what we've got done so far with our wiring harness. So again, here's everything. There's going to be a lot of extra wires. We'll get those somewhere. And then we're going to terminate the computer and everything in the glove box, on the back side of the glove box. We haven't figured that out yet, but that's our next phase. Once we get everything terminated here, then we'll be ready to go. At that point, then we're going to move the motor out of here because this has to go back to our paint and body shop. We're going to respray the whole thing, redo it, the whole 9 yards. So everything's got to be out and cleaned. So there you have it. So there's the fuel injection wiring harness, mostly in, but still a lot of work to be done on it. So how about I meet you back in the car and we'll talk about the third, and to me, the really cool thing that I want to speak about that to me is very, very important. All right, meet you in the car. All right, and we're back. All right, guys, so let's recap. Talked about the seats here. They're in. We've got different types of railing systems on there, so they glide back and forth a lot better. The seats have been completely rebuilt and replaced with the leather that we're going to be using for the whole car. So there's a lot more to do, of course, in the car. Talked about the fuel injection system, the wiring, getting it through the firewall. We got to terminate, shorten up the wires, terminate it, and then we'll test on a run stand, everything on a run stand outside of the car while it's in while it's in our paint and body shop. Okay. The last thing, the third thing, which I think is a pretty cool surprise. So I've been looking for property. I've been looking to build the next Svelto Performance garage. And we found it. We have closed on the property. And I'm super excited to show you what it's going to look like. So we're going to have another video that's going to talk solely about the land and about the building that we're going to build, and talk a little bit about what we're going to be putting in it and all that. I mean, of course, this is just all up here right now. I've got to get with architectures, draw it out, map it out, make sure it fits within inside the budget, and then figure the time that we're going to start building it. Kind of want to wait till the first of the year, just see with the new administration coming in and seeing if prices are going to start driving down or what's going to happen there. So there you have it. So seats, wiring harnesses in for the fuel injection system, or wiring harness in for the fuel injection system, and then the new Svelto Performance headquarters, and what is that going to look like. So we're super excited. Listen, I really appreciate you guys coming along on this journey, on this commission build that we're doing, the very first one for Svelto Performance. I know you've seen my other videos, and so you've seen the red 67 step nose that I rebuilt. I've also got the videos out for the Spider that we rebuilt years ago. That was the 83, I think it was. Both of those have gone to new homes. Of course, this one here, with this being this GTV 2000, with this being the very first commission build, we're holding on to this car. This car is not going anywhere. It's going to be our test car, but it's going to look fabulous. We're going to carry it around all over the country. Super excited. So guys, please like, subscribe, ring the bell, and as always, God bless.